the showdown over Babasaheb Ambedkar that is expected to continue in Parliament even today, with both the Congress and the ruling BJP have engaged in heated exchange of words over the reference of the Union Home Minister that he made to B.R. Ambedkar during his speech in the Rajya Sabha on Tuesday. Congress and other India bloc parties have shared a 12-second clip from Amit Shah's speech to allege that the Union Home Minister insulted the chief architect of the Constitution. Responding to this charge, the Union Home Minister has hit back at the Congress and accused it of misinterpreting facts. Branding the Congress as a party of anti-reservation, anti-Ambedkar, anti-constitution, Amit Shah asserted that the party wrongly presented his remark and is trying to spread a false narrative. Accusing the Congress of distortion, the Union Home Minister stated that the BJP is mulling legal options against misrepresentation of facts by the Congress party and its leaders.
मैं इतना जरूर कह सकता हूं कि इसके सारे लीगल ऑप्शन भारतीय जनता पार्टी तरासेगी। पार्लियामेंट के अंदर और पार्लियामेंट के बाहर क्या लीगल एक्शन हो सकते हैं, वो सारी संभावनाओं को तराशकर भारतीय जनता पार्टी निर्णय करेगी।
Now, owing to what happened yesterday, and will it have any effect today as well as far as the Parliament session that will convene, as the Congress party leaders have now received a notice from X over oversharing of video clips of Amit Shah's RS speech, that is the Rajya Sabha speech. The Congress party and some of its leaders have received certain notices from the social media platform X for sharing certain video clips of the Union Home Minister on their handles, and opposition sources say that the communication by X refers to the notice that it has received from the Cyber Crime Coordination Center of the Ministry of Home Affairs for the removal of such content that has been shared by them, which is in accordance to the violation of law in India. Let's get in a word from Sabyasachi, who's joining us live right now. Good morning, Sabya. Has there been any confirmation coming from X or MHA Cyber Crime Coordination Center on these notices that have been sent? Who exactly have received these notices?
Well, the social media platform X and the MHA are yet to give a confirmation regarding this, whereas several Congress sources have confirmed that they have received notices from the X regarding the video that they have been sharing regarding the remarks that has been given by Home Minister Amit Shah. In fact, yesterday also, the BJP, while doing a press conference, Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah has said that the BJP will be looking at every legal aspect, how to take action against the Congress party for manipulating the video, because the BJP has been maintaining that it's a long speech, it's a 90-minute speech given by Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and the Congress party and several of its leaders have not been sharing the entire clip of the video. They have been just sharing a chunk of the video, and by doing that they are manipulating the truth, and that is the reason why such action has been initiated from the MHA, which clearly hinted that it is a violation of the law, and that is the reason why the social media X have sent a notice to several Congress leader and the Congress party X the handle, which have shared this particular video. Meanwhile, the Congress also is yet to confirm how many leaders have got this notice from the X, but clearly the war of words will going to intensify between the Congress party and the centre.
All right, we'll try and find out exactly what has been the communication, to what sources suggest to the Congress party that X also having mentioned that it strongly believes in the freedom of speech and expression of its users through the platform. But some Congress leaders and MPs have shared a video clip of Amit Shah's reply to the debate on the Constitution's journey of 75 years in the Rajya Sabha on Tuesday. Rather, in the meantime, we also play out reactions that have been coming in. The Congress party, which continues to remain defiant over the Union Home Minister's speech, saying that he shouldn't threaten the opposition leaders with legal action, as the Congress MP continued to allege that the Union Home Minister has been caught red-handed insulting Ambedkar and that the entire country has witnessed it.
देखिए, पूरे देश के सामने राज्यसभा के प्रोसीडिंग्स हैं। राज्यसभा में मेरे ख्याल से करीब 200 राज्यसभा मेंबर्स वहां पे बैठे हुए थे। जब ये बोले, इसके ऊपर आपत्ति वहां पे दर्ज की गई, इसके ऊपर प्रोटेस्ट किया गया। ये लोग इसके ऊपर उठ के बोले, उनकी आवाज वहां पे शामिल है। सीधा राज्यसभा टीवी जो है, सांसद टीवी की जो रिकॉर्डिंग है, ये गवर्नमेंट की रिकॉर्डिंग है, ये गवर्नमेंट के पास रहता है। आप उसमें से उसके प्रोसीडिंग्स में जाइए, ये वेब में है, यूट्यूब में है, आप उसमें से इनकी स्पीच निकाल के देख लीजिए। दूध को दूध, पानी का पानी हो जाए।
These kind of threats Mr. Amit Shah must end. This arrogance must end. Mr. Amit Shah has been caught red-handed for insulting Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He can't threaten the opposition. He can't threaten opposition leaders, these things. It is not Gujarat politics, it is India's politics. Indian people has understood. You had spoken in Hindi, you had insulted Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Nobody is going to leave you. You have to resign, you have to apologize.
Now, according to